Now this is the second one under this bugs category, under the I guess the bugs category. So now we are at this section which says the how to find bug. Okay, and as you can see, there's 3 YouTube video right here. This one doesn't have an article like the other one, so we have to listen to these 3 YouTube videos one after the other so we can actually solve this and go over and solve the quiz that is under this before we can actually pass. Okay, so I would want to play this video one after the other. However, I don't want to waste your time, but you have it on your screen, so you should endeavor to play it one after the other. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this video. I'm going to watch it one after the other. Then after that, I'm going to come right back and click finish. Then we are going to move on. Okay. So as you can see right here, we just have to watch the 3 videos and we can see that we've already passed it. So that section is just for us to watch the video. Now let's go over to the next section, which is bug reports attachments. Let's see what's there. Maybe we just have to watch video also. Okay, this has a quiz. It does not even have one quiz, it's 2 different quiz. We have attachment quiz, attachment practical task. Man, this is gonna be crazy. Okay, so we're gonna read this article one after the other. Then after that, we're gonna go over and take this attachment quiz and attachment practical test. So the first one is this. So let's read this first article. Okay, we have the bug report attachment. Okay, I'm gonna go over and read this. Then when I'm done, we're gonna continue. Alright, so I have actually read these 3 articles. You can see them up here. And now we want to take this quiz. So the first one, which is the attachment quiz, let's go. Okay, to pass this assessment quiz, you need to answer at least 5 out of 6. Wow, that's cool. That means we need to be correct in 5 out of 6 questions. We have 6 questions and we definitely need to pass by passing 5 questions. Okay. Which of the following statements are true about screencast and screenshot attachment? We need to choose 3 correct answers. The current date can be in any format. Also in non-Latin alphabet. No, this is not correct. It is okay when the date is mentioned in the file name of your attachment but not shown in your video screenshot. No. A screenshot should be attached when the nature of a bug is static. In all other cases, you should record a screenshot. Yes. The current date must be visible in your screencast and screenshots. Yes. Any common date format like this and these are acceptable in yours. Yes. This is the 3-1. So next. Now you should go over these articles yourself, please, guys. The reason why you should go over it is not because you pass. It's not because I already showed you the answer and you can pass. No. If you don't read these things, you will not be able to to do all these bug reporting and everything. You still have to come back here and be learning how to actually do all these bug reports. And that's the reason for this attachment. I'm only trying to fast track this thing for you so you can get started and start working. Okay, but to actually work, you have to still read all these articles and understand them. Because if you do the bug reporting wrong, that means if you take them in a wrong way and you didn't do it the right way, they will not pay you. Okay, so that's just it. Don't forget, guys, you can pass with my video, but you definitely need to go over all of them. Just use my video here to pass, or if you actually failed some couple of times, then use my video, which is fine. But don't rely on my video and not go over all these articles and videos, please. Okay. Now, which screenshot meets our quality standard? Okay, let's check them one after the other. Which one meets the quality standard? Okay, there is date and time, year, and of course test IO shows. Okay, this actually meets standard, but let's check this. Oh, okay, since it's a static, this met the standard more than this because this highlights the one that has issues, which is like the demo. They get a demo that has issues. So let's check this again. This one does not meet because it doesn't have date and time. and this one has date and time, but it cut a lot of stuffs off, so it really does not meet the stuff. So this is the one that meets everything. Date and time is there, it circles this thing, which is the main issue, and you can see the website and everything clearly. So we choose B. Now let's go over and click next. I know all these things because I have already go through the videos and the articles, okay? So you should do that also after you pass. Now, what actions do you have to include in your screencast? At least the last navigational step, the step that triggers the bug and the bug itself. Sometimes more steps for better comprehension of the problem. Yes, this is correct, but let's go check yours. Your whole testing season of the product, no. The last 5 steps described in your bug report, no. All steps described in your bug report without any exception, no. A is the answer. Now let's click next. Okay, now question 4. Is it true that if you add an attachment to the bug report, it can replace written information like the steps? No, this is not true, this is false. Attachment is to show you more clarity, it doesn't replace anything. So next, which of the following statements are true about screencast? Okay, they say we should answer 2. You can record just the section that shows the bug. No, you need to record one that leads to the bug. Okay, so if your screencast is over 60 seconds, you can edit it to increase the speed or increase the speed. No. Always record your whole screen. Yes. Don't record any noise. Yes, this is correct. And since it's 2, then this 2 is correct. Then let's click on next. So this is the last question. Let's hope we pass. Now, what is wrong about the following screencast? Okay, let's check this screencast and see if there's anything wrong in it. Okay, let's be careful and watch it very well. So this screencast, we're not seeing the date and time, right? Because I can't see any date or time. If it's a window, there should be date down here. If it's a mark, there should be date down here. So we're not seeing the date. Well, although everything else is looking okay, but we're actually not seeing the date. And we definitely did not see the options that lead to this. Oh, okay, this is the option that leads to this, but we definitely did not see date and time. So it's not correct, it's not accessible, and they also choose 2 correct answers. So it is too long. Okay, is it too long? Depending, if it's a reproduction, that's going to be too long, but I don't think it's too long if it's actually a bug report. So, and what is wrong with the following screencast? If the screencast is a bug report, since we are under bug report, then I guess it's a bug report, so it's not too long, okay, for a bug report. So A is not correct. The sound is recorded, and no, there's no sound. I can't hear any sound. If I can hear a sound, then that will be the answer. So no URL bar is visible. No, the URL bar is visible. Click are not highlighted. Okay, we have to check for this again. There is no date display. Yes, this is correct, but we have to check if clicks are not highlighted. Let's see if that's the next second one. So let's see. I think this is the person's. Okay, I think clicks are not highlighted, although we can see that the person comes here and click it, but it's not highlighted. So normally the person, immediately that person clicks, there's supposed to be like some highlights, like a color glow. The mouse is supposed to glow that the person clicks something, but we did not see that. Although we can see that it changed color, but I guess that's just the color of the website. But just to be sure, let's go over these questions again. Okay, this is a bug example, not bug reproduction. And for bugs, it has to be it's only over 1 minute. That is too much, that is too long. So definitely too long is not at the ear. Or let's just go over and check it just to be sure. Screencast right here, creating screencast. You can see right here it says screencasts that are longer than 1 minute for bug reports and 15 seconds for reproduction. So that's when the problem comes in. So this is a bug report, not a bug reproduction. So until it's 1 minute over, then it's not long. Now the sound. Now let's try this again. Let's see if we can hear a sound. I don't think I can hear a sound, but let's be sure. I can't hear any sound, so there's no sound. Okay, now no URL bar is visible. Okay, URL. This is the URL bar, and I think it's visible, although it might be blurry. I guess that's just because of the, okay, it's not blurry anymore, it's visible. We can see the URL. This is the URL, so that's not also not correct. Then definitely it's going to be these clicks that are not highlighted. Like I said earlier, the clicks are not highlighted, although we can see a little bit change, but that's just because the website has the changing stuff. If the website doesn't have, then we wouldn't have know that the person clicked something there. So let's click finish and see if we pass. Okay, good, we pass, and we actually scored everything. This is 6 out of 6. That's good. Attachment quiz, 6 out of 6. Now we're going straight to attachment practical task. Okay. Alright, so now let's go over to the next one, which is the attachment practical task. Normally I shouldn't do this. Let me see if the video is too long. If it's not too long, then okay, we're already at 11th minute. Then let's just stop this and have this on another video. Okay, guys.